On the to-do list.
What I missed?
What did you miss? The story about the beds.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
And the story about Shayna snoring.
Yeah, I told him.
Oh, that's so funny.
First, Dad goes in there because he snores, and then I thought, well, Shana could sleep in Dad's bed. Next thing I know, she's right here, and she's snoring right next to my ear. So I says, all the snores got to go in that room.
she sleeps with you, Dad?
So they have their own room
We have our own
and their own
room,
TV.
our own
Right.
TV.
Same house though, huh? Same house.
We're very happy.
Maybe I should try that.
Here's the secret. The secret is we
Well,
rather
wait a minute.
we would
I have
rather
to
be
sleep in the
miserable.
garage. That's
we
fun.
no. Here's what it is. We'd rather be miserable with each other than happy without each other. No. We'd
Well, they're
rather-
definitely very miserable.
Yeah.
So that's, don't forget that. That's
Oh,
a
that's
secret.
funny.
I thought we had a Mr. Lincoln. Maybe one of them is a Mr. Lincoln.
Well, two of them didn't have.
So you two, think about it. You'd rather be miserable with each other than happy without each other. That's love.
I'm gonna have to look these up on the computer and see what they are.
Oh God.
Aren't you glad you
Oh, I'm telling you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's.
You're
So
welcome.
it's just two of them that don't have their names, huh? I'm pretty sure one of them is a Mr. Lincoln, I think.
Mr. Lincoln.
I think
Well,
so.
there's a white flower.
Oh,
Oh, I think Mr. Lincoln is a red flower.
That might be the
I can
second,
tell you
number
something
two.
about
Does number
Sue.
two
I was
have a
laughing
name?
Number
so
two is
hard.
blank, yeah.
She calls me
I don't
the
know
other
what-
day, and I'm laughing because what she's going through now is what, we all go, like, what she's going through with her daughters, I went through with them,
Oh, okay.
but in a funny way.
Yeah.
So she tells me, she says, they all went out for this birthday dinner. It was
Uh-huh.
Alicia's birthday dinner.
Oh.
She's 28.
Oh.
And the girls are all dressed, they're all skinny little things, they're all dressed real. And so Stacy says, "You're not wearing that, Mom."
No, I think it was Alicia. Alicia said,
Did she
"Is that
say
what
it?
you're wearing?"
Is that which? Oh, Sue told
And
you.
Sue thought she was so cute.
Tell him. You tell the
Yeah,
story.
because Sue and I went to Steinmart and we both bought the same top because I found it for her and I said, Sue, I think this is so cute. You're gonna, you should buy this.